Hey, welcome to Warrior Work. This is Coach Hill. Today we're going to demonstrate a few forms for you that one of my adult students has been learning during this COVID-19 issue. This is called the Sukuan. It's called striking method. So it's a very basic form. Nice strike, 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 developing speed, power, focus. And that is the Sukuan. Second form we're going to do is the Kenpo Coordination Set. This used to be called the Kenpo Short Staff, but we changed it to Coordination Set, so that way it is more geared toward just developing the right side, left side. So it may look a little different from you, for those of you who have done the Kenpo Short Staff. Just developing coordination both sides of the body, a lot of the twirling. Again, he's learned these in the last 3 to 4 months during our COVID. Nice thing about weapons, you can train those and it gives you automatic social distancing and spacing. Whether you do them inside or outside, you just have to watch for your ceilings. Make sure you don't knock your fans over. We're showing you these forms because if you see any that you like, we can actually teach those here on YouTube. Do a couple of sessions. Do slower. If you've done martial arts for a long time, these would be very easy for you to pick up. If you're a brand new student, they'd be a little tougher. So again, there's the Sukuan, the Kenpo Coordination Set. Third form we're going to show you is the Shaolin 12 Winds Staff form. A little bit more dynamic. Of course, he hasn't mastered these forms yet, but you want to be thinking in terms of how you want to look for the basics, because there's really no advanced techniques. There's only advanced basics. So as you learn your basics and you put them together, they become advanced forms, become more complex.
Lost on that one there.
Yeah, so that's not uncommon. Okay, and again, when you make a mistake, you laugh and you go on. Okay, let's go ahead and move into the sword form. Broadsword, Shaolin Broadsword. We're putting him under pressure today because he didn't get to rehearse this. He just came in and we said, okay, we're going to film you today. Let you demonstrate what you've been learning so far. This is a good workout. Helps you connect your mind, your body, your breath. Each weapon has its own distinct movement that you're working on developing. Okay, so that's the fourth weapon. Fifth weapon is the Tai Chi Fan. The Tai Chi Fan is often a precursor to using or learning the Tai Chi sword. What I like about the Tai Chi Fan is you could use this with a coffee cup. You could use it with a telephone. So it could be Tai Chi coffee cup. It could be Tai Chi phone form. One of the hard things about Tai Chi forms is that when you've been doing the other hard forms, the faster forms, it's harder to slow down and soften these up. He actually just finished learning this form on Wednesday of this week. Again, Tai Chi can be hard or soft, fast or slow. It's a very dynamic art form. So again, those 5 forms, the Sukuan, the Kenpo Coordination Set, the 12 Winds, Shaolin 12 Winds, the Shaolin Broadsword, and the Tai Chi Fan. I teach lots more forms besides just those, but those 5, if you have any of those you'd like to learn, let me know and we'll do some segments so you can learn those right here online. Make it a great day.